throw that one.
Wow.
He's the one that you took it out.
Oh my. Wow.
It's inside.
It's like it's raining. Like when you're inside of a tornado. I guess. It's like when you're inside of a tornado. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's too many rain. Look. There's too many rain here. So it rained 3 times, I guess. Okay. So am I...
Is it going that way, the rain?
Yay, it stopped.
I think it's going that way.
It's
right?
still raining.